Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an easy messy updo for medium length hair. To start, I'm going to add some volume powder at the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I'm going to divide off the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this out of the way on both sides. I've decided to give the crown a little tease just for a bit more volume, but you can skip this step if you don't like backcombing. Once you've got everything backcombed, just flip the sections back over and smooth out the top with your comb. Then gather that backcombed section or the crown section at the back of the head and tie into a small ponytail. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at that hair to make it more textured and voluminous. Divide the rest of the hair in half at the bottom, and then I'm going to add some more of that volume powder over the little ponytail and give it a gentle tease just for a bit more volume and thickness. Now I'm going to take that ponytail and wrap it around a couple of fingers to form a loop. Hold this to the nape of the neck and secure either side through the middle of that loop with a couple of bobby pins. Then, taking the rest of the hair on the left hand side, I'm going to add an elastic band about halfway down. Then repeat on the right hand side. Then we're simply going to make a hole above one of those elastic bands and we're going to flip those ends through. Do this twice to make a couple of tighter twists. And I'm going to bring the left hand side over the top of that little bun to the right hand side and then pinch and pull at those twists for some more messy volume. Then hold those twists to the right hand side of that little bun we made and secure with a bobby pin or two. And then I like to slip a couple of pins through the centre of the twist to keep it secure. And we're going to repeat it on the right hand side. So make a hole and flip your ends through twice. Bring this over to the opposite side of the bun and use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at those twists. Secure this to the left hand side of the bun with a bobby pin. Don't forget to slip your pin through the centre of the twists to stop them moving about. And then with those tail ends I'm going to tie them together, and then the same as what we did before, we're just going to flip those ends through, but we're just going to do it once. So pop your fingers behind the elastic bands and pull the ends through and then pinch and pull those little twists. Wrap the ends around your finger and then just tuck it up to the bottom of the bun and secure with another couple of pins. Now release those side sections down and I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. With the rest of the hair I'm going to twist this towards the head and bring it up and over to the opposite side of the bun and secure it with a bobby pin or two. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at that twist for more volume. And we're simply going to repeat this on the left hand side. So take your section, twist it towards the head, bring it over to the opposite side of the bun and secure with a pin. Don't forget to pinch and pull your twist apart. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.